Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
Hello friends, welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. Do you know you can have something like this in your sketchware? When you click on a particular place like this, you have what we call option menu with custom action bar. Like, what I mean is that, as you can see, sometimes you may think how can I have this in custom? Like, what we mean by custom, you put all these things that you're seeing here, put the name here, the button here, and the other buttons down here, like this button that you're seeing here, something like this. You can make them very well. How you can put them, like when you click on here, you have those options with icons. This, you can put icons, whatever icons you want to put, so customly you can form this thing by yourself. In this video I want to show you how to do that. Let's move into our sketchware. We create a new project, custom bar menu. I believe you understand. Plus option menu, you create here. This formation, you see, in this formation you can see there is default toolbar there. You want to remove the toolbar. As you can see, first of all we come here. You want to get out the toolbar. When you come here, you click on this particular pencil. When you finish that, you click this toolbar, you remove it. You see it has removed. Sit here. This is the toolbar. You have to remove it. You don't want to use the ready-made toolbar by sketchware in default. So you click save. What you have to do now, you first of all, since you want to create a custom menu here, you first of all drag in what we call linear horizontal. The first one sits here. There's the first one, linear horizontal. You drag in the linear horizontal. The next method now is, what can you do now is, since you want to make your own custom bar, I advise you bring in one image view first of all. Bring in this image view and put it inside the linear horizontal. As you can see, we have the linear horizontal there. What you have to do now is to bring in another linear and put it in there. That is why I say you should use linear, and even if you are using view, use linear to separate the view. So in this linear, first we have to come to the first linear here. We click on the first linear. The linear 1, that's linear 1. You can change the ID to whatever thing you want to make it to. In that linear 1, what we have to do here is to remove the padding. From the padding here, you remove it, change it to 0. It's not necessary you must do it, but from my own design, maybe you may see it as something that is very interesting and you want to like to do it. So now you come here, click on the image view entirely, or in particular, you can see this image view. So what you have to do in this image view is to set the width and the height of it. So first of all, come to the width. From the width you can, because this is kind of verb icon itself, so icon does not need much of big in size. What you have to do is to come with at least 40 widths in size and 40 heights in size. So when you finish that one, what you have to do is to come to this second linear called linear 2, the one that is inside recent linear that you just drag into the other linear. You scroll down. After you have touched the linear, you scroll down and come to the width, change it to something like, okay, let me say wrap contents, so I can wrap it, you understand me? So you have specified this out, so you have separated this view. Then the next thing you have to do is to drag in text view. That's text view. The text view, it depends how you want it to be, but before you make any other thing here, you have to pick in another something like image view. At least you have image view now. That's an image view like you did in the other one. You set it, the width and the height of it 40. That's 40. After that, what you have to do now is to click on the text view right here. Text view. You scroll down, you see something like width. the weights, the one ratio n, that's weights. What's it, the weights? You come here, you can delete the 0, you can keep the 0 and type in 1. The thing will still recognize it as 1. So you click on it. You see now it has take the space and give this one its own space. That's where it's supposed to be. That means we have finished our arrangement in our custom toolbar in the form of design. We have finished the design. What we have to do now is to set the color of the toolbar to our own color. You click on the custom linear one. Click on the linear one. After that, you come to background color. Under the back, you can choose any color of your choice. Let me go with I like something like purple. I can go with AA00FF, something like this. Then my text view, I have to put text, whatever thing I want. I can have a text and put the text in. I can do Unlimited Monies Blog. This the channel. That's the channel you need to already. You are watching. You are on it. So that's my design name. You see the thing is going to one side. Maybe you don't like it that way. You may just supposed to stand in the middle. Some people like to make something like this, go to the side, one side, any side, maybe left to right, or you make it in the center. If you wanted to make it in the center already, you go to the graffiti, click on the XDB on the text view. On gravity, you can use center, horizontal, center, vertical. It has come to the middle. So now what next you have to do is you come to the text style, you make it bold. Come to the text size. That is something like title, and it's something, let me say its title is safe, and also something like 8 layer heading, so you can use something like 18. So it is quite enough. The next thing is that what are we to do? Change the color. If you like the color you want it to be, click it white. I'm using white so it can be transparent. So that means since I'm using white, also my because this image here is gonna be the kind of button that we want to use, so that when we click on it, it will give us performances. So what we have to do now, navigate to event tab. When you come to event tab, what you have to do is, it depends what you need to do. Okay, let us first of all set up the images. Click on these 3 dots right now here. Come down to not even down, come to this image view here. Click on the image view. Click on the download icon here. Click there. From there, you see we are in default black. We have gray, we have white. So since my own title is white, and the area or the color needs white attachment, white color in attachment, so we have to come to the white part because I need white. So I'm looking for vertical option, vertical mode, fat mode. So I'm looking for the vertical seat here. I need it more vertical, like something like more for more. So also I will see code here because I need 2 icons. Okay, I need up to 3 icons, or let me say 5 icons. So you can add any icons you want to add. I want to add icon that I will use in the option menu. Okay, I have seen my own clothes. As you can see the name here. I see clothes white, so I'm using it. Okay, I have the 2 buttons icons I want to use, and I still need another additional 3 icons, which when I finish using it, you can add whatever. So what I mean by these icons I want to use now is because of the kind of options I want to make in my option menu. So I'm choosing the icons according to what I want to add into my option menu. Remember, because our background, let me just come here and explain something. Our background is of our option menu gonna be white, so you don't need to use white icon as well. You have to come to the black side. Now I'm on black side. I will choose 3 options of. I can choose any of the option here. So what I have, number 1, I choose the dollar sign. I save it. I come back again. I choose the music side. I audio track. I set it, and I come back again. I look for another thing. Very, very important. Okay. I choose camera. Let me use okay, camera is okay for me. I choose something like camera, and I save it. So I have 3 icons to use because I want to just make 3 options. You can make as many options as you want. So I'm using that 3 icons. So the next thing I have to do is to come back to my view parts, so I can set the image. This one now is one I want to set. So I click on the image. I come to the image option, the basic things. Come to image here, and I select that one is IC fats. This is here. You have to make this one. If you want to make option, you have to use this method. You must use it either black or white or gray, because this shows that you can see what we have here is what we also have here. So that's the same thing. You must use it. You know, so somebody will know that is option menu. There is option somewhere there. So when you finish that one, you come to this side, click on it. After that, set up the icon. The icon wants to show that close is close. I see white. Close I see white. Choose it. Select. it shows that you want to close. Once that button is clicked, that place is clicked, this app will be closed. So we want to put a text. I want to put a text in our, before I put the text, I will make it a vertical linear to, so that I can drag in the text and put it in there. I put this text here. I come to vertical linear to make it the text to come to the middle gravity, center, horizontal, vertical. Now make the text, I can write something like welcome to our app tutorial. So I use this as an example to know that there is, this app is being opening as well. Okay, let me just make a size of the text of 18. I think it's okay now. So now we have a white background here, we have black, we have the linear vertical as purple on my own. So now I want to make the logic before we run our app. Click on this place. When the button click, what will happen? When the button click, what you have to do, come to the events part, click on here, come to the on click, click on there. When you open it, that means when that image view click, what will happen? There is this block I want to use now. You see it in the description section of this video. I have placed the link to the block, the block or pop-up block. Yeah, the name may be the same, the name may not be the same. So in that pop-up block, we have a lot of section which I will explain to you in the next video. So you have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, comment, whatever thing you don't know. So when I post the explanation of all this section of the blog, or anyone that you want to use and you are confused, bring a screenshot to our Telegram channel, post it, ask a question about the particular question or the particular screenshot area, tell what you want us to tell you, we can walk you through. So I don't want to stand in this video and explain all these things, but all this is very important and it's very useful. So now, since I want to create an, first of all, I will drag in this second one. You see we have first section here, we have the second one. Come to the create color section. This is the one, create color. It's called create a pop-out menu. When you click here, you lock in here. In this first place, we're talking about the context. The next one is view. What is the context? It means which activity. Since we have only one activity in our tutorial app, so you have to click on the activity. If your activity that you are using this thing is going to be home activity or splash screen or menu, whatever thing activity, just select the activity. The next one we have here, the target, what is view. The view target means what we want to click this icon on. Like what we want to click the icon. You want to target the icon on image view 2. Remember it was image view 2. So you select image view 2. And you can see here image view 2. So you click image view 2 to show when that particular area or that particular view is clicked, what will happen. So now you want to add the pop-up menu with icons. You don't need to follow up with all these particular one now. What you have to do is go to the section, the next part. Remember we said you that I have first section, second section, and the third question section. So come to the third question section, drag in the two blocks. This is the one. First of all, this one now we need to use 3. So you have to set 3 of this one. You drag it and copy it. You can copy it. You can drag it from this. If you can do it copy, you can still drag another one and add to make it the number you want to use it. So first of all, our first block here is our first block. So they choose the image. I can advise to use name before you choose image, or you use image before you choose name. First of all, now we're talking about money. So I choose money, the first one. And what is the item name? Remember that this item name is what you will use to recognize it in action. So item name, come to the add item. Since we're talking about money, you just say money. Just delete any space in case of error. Money is okay. You can take it in. That one is okay. Then you now come back and pick another one. Keep it outside. In the image we're talking about audio track. You can come to the add item and click audio. You can write audio tracks. You save it. Remember this name that you are using, the item's name is what you will use exactly to recognize or to recognize the items, so that it will function properly. The next one is, first of all, take the image. We see camera, so we now come here and we write camera. We have camera. You see now we have it. Then This block means this block will make these icons to take place in these items. So you have to drag it in under there. We have finished that one. What we have to do next is ask yourself, say, if they are, where would they click for these things to work? How would these things work? So you now come to the section 2, the second section. Remember, this is the first section. The second section, you will see this block called when pop-up menu item click. Look at it. Once you read on this block, you understand it. So it means that when this pop-up item menu click, what will happen? I believe you understand it. So when this item click, what will happen? When it click, what will happen? What you have to do is to drag in these icons. You put it inside here. I believe you see where I'm putting it, inside here. So when this thing open, these icons will show, these options will show money, audio tracks, and camera. Then this second block under these icons is so that add to icons pop up. So that one take effects to add these icons to this pop-up menu. Okay, now this one, now the next one here is saying that when the command is that when the pop-up menu is clicked, what will happen? You now use this one to recognize the pop-up. Case item is, I believe you understand it now. Case item is, you put it inside here. I believe you understand it now. So when you put this one inside here, it means that when this thing click, if it is this item, the item, now you now put the item name. If it is the item name is money, I believe you understand it. So this is very, very important. This is very, very important part. You don't need to skip. If you're tired of this video, of it, come back the next time, continue till you get it, you master it. Whatever app you want to do, it will not be until you come to my channel and watch the video before you can do the option again in another app. When you watch it, master it, use the method, continue in others app. It will not hang your app. It will not make your app to work slowly. This is very let me say lazy load good. So now what you see is that I can explain for your understanding. It means that when this pop-up item click, so the other one says case item is, like, it means that if in case that's the meaning of this writing language. If in case, like say case item is, like if in case the item is money, what will happen? Let's just make a little effect, a text view. So you have to use this text view as an example. So we have to go text view, set color. Understand? So this text view now, what is the text view? Text view 2. The text view 2 is, let us go back and show you the text view 2. I can make it to be bold. This is text view 2. Now text view 2 is, let me first of all make this one to be the background of this first linear 3 to be white, so that you to know how it works. Though I will still drop these projects in the description or in our Telegram channel, so you get the link in the description section. Come to the Telegram channel, download these projects, join this, subscribe to the channel, stay with us, ask any question, subscribe to this channel, also share this video and like it. This one now, I want to make it too bold so that let me say 25 is okay. You will now, when we click on those options, it will change the colors of this thing. So now let us go back to our event tab, go back to the image. When the image click, and when it's click, this is where we stop. When it's click, that place is text view 2. The text view 2 will set color to red. Let's just start with red. Understand? So the next one now, we'll just go back to our block, custom block. I told you I will drop this block in our description section link. Will be showing there. Now say if the case is 2, it should do this. Now put another one. If the case is another one, now another one was what? Audio track. You can add, not until you add it accordingly. Anyhow you want to add. If you want to make the last one to be down, the first one to be down, the second one to be middle, is still working. So you now say if the one was audio track, remember the spelling and the characters that you use so that it can recognize the items. If the item is audio track, copy it. I just show you to copy. You can take it from under, you can take it from the view. It's still working. Anyhow you want to do it. This copy is easier than other one. Copy it. It's the same thing here. Text view, set color. That's the same code. So you can copy it. So if it is audio track, what link, what the color? If it's audio track, that text will change color to green. I believe you understand it. Let me make it light screen so that when it's changed you see it. So if it is let me make it something like this. If it is audio track, it will change to screen. Okay, now if it is camera, you still put it under here. Remember, we make this one. This one is when pop-up menu click it, then all these three blocks are inside it. Don't put it inside another item. Put it under each of the items, like what you have seen now. I have removed it now. I don't put it inside here. I put it under the item that I have already placed, not under the command block. If I put it here, it's wrong. You understand? So you put it inside here. That means this command block contains these children. This is like children. This is like parents. Okay, now when this, if in case the item was camera, so now come to camera. If it was camera, what will happen? This text view, this text view too will change color to something like yellow. I think yellow is will be okay. Okay, so we have finished the logic. Nothing is there again. So what we have to do is to go back. That is how to add option menu. I believe you understand. So I may advise, in case of having error, I may advise you to come to your library, open your library. Under the library, the app combat is very, very important. So you have must first of all do this in your app before any logic, and enable it. Once you enable it, so when you enable it, run the application. Okay, our app is ready to install. Because you can see the app is opening. What we forget to do is to put something here that when we click on this, already you know of that one. If you want to make use of that one, is you click on the same image, that when that image click, you put affinity, it will close the app. So if you want to still know about how to use that one, I will show you on how to use it. So now what you want to target is this was our vertical option menu. So let us click on that. You see we have it here. It's worked very well for us. It's worked very well, as you can see. Money audio track. So let us see if it will. You see, when we click on the money, it's changed to red. It has changed to red. Now let us click on the option menu. Click on audio tracks. It has changed to green. We click on the option menu. Click to camera. It has changed to yellow. Thank you for watching this video. I believe this video has been an of help to you. I want you to like and subscribe for this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, share this video. This video is very, very useful and interesting. It is not easy to put this kind of custom bar here and add option menu and go add others of the menu. You can make this place to be draw navigation bar. If you still need to know all those things, comment in the section. Put your comment in the comment section, or come to our Telegram channel. The link is also there in the description section of this video, and we will take you through all those things and you get it successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.